Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this cleanser from this brand name Aveeno. This is their Calm and Restore for Sensitive Skin Nourishing Oat Cleanser. I paid $15 for this cleanser and we get 232 ml product. This cleanser is fragrance free, SLS free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free and silicone free as well. This is not fungal acne safe, but this only has one fungal acne trigger, and in a cleanser I won't worry about that too much. And if I'm not wrong, Aveeno is not cruelty free. So oats are not only very nourishing but soothing and calming as well. And they also added glycerin and sodium hyaluronate in this. Both are great humectants. Sodium hyaluronate is the last ingredient and glycerin is the second ingredient. Let's talk about my experience with this cleanser. I have combination skin. It's more on the dry side in winters and it's more on the oilier side in summer, and I like using creamy cleansers in winters. Let's talk about the good things about this cleanser first. This is extremely gentle. When I said extremely gentle, I'm not exaggerating. This is very gentle. Even if you have really sensitive skin, redness prone skin, you can use this cleanser. This won't irritate your skin more. If you live in a very cold country and you have very dry skin, this is your best friend. This is perfect for dry skin. This don't strip your skin. It don't disturb your natural oils. Perfect for dry skin. Another great thing about this cleanser is it's not like other creamy cleansers. This is not hard to rinse at all. This emulsifies really well. It's not like other creamy cleansers. They are a little difficult to rinse. This is really easy to rinse. Love that. There are some things about this cleanser that might bother some of you guys. Personally, these things don't bother me at all. First thing is, this is very gentle. It don't remove makeup. It don't remove sweat and water resistant sunscreen. It is so gentle that it don't even remove a sunscreen that is not sweat and water resistant. I always double cleanse. I use this as a second cleanser. This works really well as a morning cleanser or as a second cleanser. I won't recommend you to use this alone if you wear makeup or sunscreen. Another thing that might bother some people, this don't foam up at all. This actually feel like you are rubbing lotion on your skin. So it might bother some people. This don't give you that squeaky clean finish. If you like squeaky clean finish, then don't purchase this. This actually leave your skin hydrated. If you live in a colder country and you have dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, even if you have oily skin and you don't really care about foaming cleansers, I think you will be fine using this. Very gentle. I think this is great for all skin types. If you live in a colder country, if you live in a hot and humid country, then this is definitely for people who have combination skin, dry skin, and sensitive skin. If you have oily skin, this might be too gentle for you. My experience with this cleanser was great. I will definitely repurchase this. I tried a lot of creamy cleansers in the past and this one was the most gentle one I tried. I will definitely repurchase this and I will definitely recommend you to give this one a try if you have sensitive skin, and if you have really dry skin, this one is a great option for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.